Hey guys, EV Games Guy 300 here, and I am so excited to do this review. This unboxing review is going to, well, it's going to surprise you because not only I got one, but two unboxing products that I just got. Is One Piece Season 6 Voyage 1 DVD and One Piece Film C, the movie DVD. Now, to tell you the truth, I'm a huge fan of One Piece. Since I show you the Bleach replica unboxing, I decided to do my favorite anime DVD unboxing. So, let's get started. First up is the One Piece Film C. Check it on the back. As this, and look, it's the One Piece Unlimited World Wed video game. You should buy it. Very awesome. Okay, and here is the actual DVD. Right here. And now, One Piece Season 6 Voyage 1. Now this one has the Drug Bargain, and this is also where they meet Brook. Right? Let's unbox it. Here we go. Here is the back, also the front. DVDs. You can tell the DVD descriptions, which describes the episodes. You can't see it because it's blurry. Well, if you haven't seen it, you should buy the DVD. And here is the second one. And here is the actual DVD, which has Sunny on it. Now, let me be the first to say I'm so excited to get these DVDs so I'll be able to watch them and tell you what I think. But I'm just gonna watch them for now. So yeah, I'm so excited I got those DVDs. I'm gonna go ahead and watch them now, but you can go ahead and watch it now. I'll put up a link of where you can buy it. So rate, like, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, this is EV Games Guy 300 signing out. Laters.